Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Today we're making whole wheat bread. I absolutely love the result I got from this whole wheat bread, and it's so easy to make. The ingredient list and measurement will be displayed on the screen, and I will make sure to put everything in the description box as well. Without wasting time, let's bake whole wheat bread. I have all my ingredients here. I have 3 cups of whole wheat flour, yeast, I have water, I have margarine, you can use butter if you want. I have milk here, half a cup of milk, warm water as well. I have salt here, and I have 2 tablespoons of sugar, but you can use 1/4 of a cup if you like it really sweet. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that now so you can see more of my recipes, and make sure to turn on the notification button so you're notified whenever I post a new video. To start, I'll be combining the milk and water. I have warm milk and I have warm water, half a cup each, and I'll put both together and set aside. In another bowl, I will add the yeast, a bit of sugar, and some of the milk and water mixture that I combined the other time. I will mix these together, cover it, and set it aside. I'm using active dry yeast. That is why I need to wait for a while for it to activate. If you're using instant dry yeast, there's no need for this process. Next, I transferred the whole wheat flour in a larger bowl and added margarine. Please don't be like me, don't add margarine first, which is why I'm pushing it to the side. Make sure to add all the dry ingredients first, the sugar, the salt, and mix everything up before you go in with the margarine. Alright, I have mixed the dry ingredients and now I will work the margarine in. You need to work this in until the flour looks like breadcrumbs. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It helps tell the algorithm that this is good work and they're able to recommend it to more people. So please support my channel by liking and even leaving me a nice comment. Alright, the yeast is ready. As you can see, it looks frothy, so I will add that to the flour mixture that now looks like crumbs. I'll also add the water and milk mixture little by little, not everything at once. So just keep adding the water and milk mixture in bits and working it in. Don't go in with everything at once. It's just safe, even though we have a measurement. I ended up using everything, but it is just safe, to use the water in bits. Now that everything has come together nicely, I will transfer it to a work surface and knead some more. 10 to 15 minutes is okay. Pretty much the same thing you would do with white flour, and I love whole wheat flour because it is more filling, it has more fiber, more nutrient, and that's because it hasn't gone through so much processing. I actually bought whole wheat myself and picked and cleaned it out and grinded it myself at home. If you'd like to see the video, let me know in the comments and I will show you. After kneading, I put it away to rise for about 40 minutes, and this is 40 minutes later. So I am going to cut at this point and put the dough into shapes. You can do any shape that you like, and I will let it rise a second time for about 30 minutes. I have to say, something that I noticed about whole wheat is that it takes in more water than white flour. I guess that's due to the higher fiber content of whole wheat. After cutting everything into about 8 equal sizes, I rolled out everything like this and then began to fold, making sure to tuck in everything at every stage of rolling it up. I'm doing it a second time now, so you can see I roll up, I tuck it in this way, I roll, I tuck it in. This is just to make sure that you don't end up with big holes when your bread is done baking. So I have this pan which I greased with a bit of margarine and I arranged everything inside. I had to do 2 of this. This is the second one, and I will cover this again and put in a warm area for about 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes later, so I gave it egg wash. Egg wash is just egg, nothing else. I'm going to bake this in the oven at 160 degrees for 30 minutes, and this is the result. This, I think I placed it in a very hot area in the oven. That's why it turned out really brown, which I really love. It's not burnt. This is the second one. I really love this. Everywhere smelled amazing. The texture is great. I really love it. My people, you have to try this whole wheat bread recipe and let me know what you think about it. I will see you very soon with another yummy recipe. Until then, take care and bye bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe before you go.